Okay, very frequent problem with students. They come back from exam and they say that we could not finish all of the questions. Time was not enough. Actually, time was enough. It was not enough for you, but it might be enough for others, because when you were not able to complete the questions, there were some students who actually got nationwide positions, somebody got global positions, somebody got 94, 95, and you said that I could not complete the last question. So time was not enough for you. It might have been enough for others. The main reason here is actually lack of practice, because you did not do enough practice. When you were in exam, you were reading a question and probably you had to read it two times, okay? Because for after one reading, you maybe you were not attentive enough, or maybe you are not skillful enough to understand the question and the scenario after one reading, so you have to read it twice. So when you read it twice, when you read it for the second time, you are actually wasting time. So I mean, reading one question takes 7 to 8 minutes, for example, if it is a long question, and there are four questions, and if you are reading four questions two times, so you are multiplying 8 times 4, 32 minutes, and that's the time which you actually fell short of, because you were not attentively reading it, and you did not have that skill to read it one time and understand the meanings, or understand the situation, or understand the requirement. And how do you overcome that? You should overcome that while doing practice. I mean, you actually, when all of us, we are preparing for exam, and in the last 4 to 6 weeks before exam, you start doing practice, and you actually tuned yourself to become lazy. You practiced to become lazy, because when doing practice at home, the time which was given for a question is 20 minutes, and you are doing it in 30 minutes because you are in the super relaxed mode. So you are training your mind to do a 20-minute question in 30 minutes, so your mind become tuned to that. You have, I mean, so every time in the last 6 weeks, a 20-minute question is done by you in 30 minutes at home. Now you cannot expect yourself then when you go to exam, you should be doing it in 20 minutes. You cannot force your mind to do it, because it is not trained for that. It is just like that you are practicing for a marathon, and then you go and you say, I want to participate in a sprint, I have to run fast. You never practice to run fast, okay? So you would never be able to run fast. So while doing practice at home, keep a watch, keep a clock with you. Try to do the question in the required time period which is given, which means that don't overread the question two times, three times, okay? Somehow you have to practice it. You have to train your mind to read the question, save time on reading, and then jump on to doing the question.